Are Ram 1500 wheel spacers safe? Wheel spacers. Little bit of metal that makes your truck look meaner. But are they safe? They have been around for donkey's years. Off-roaders have been using them since time began. They wouldn't use them if they were dangerous, would they? Not all spacers are created equal. You wouldn't put cheap petrol in your Ram, would you? Same goes for spacers. Go for quality, and you'll be fine. These days, Ram 1500's wheel spacers are engineered to within an inch of their lives. They are made from aircraft-grade aluminum, pretty strong then. So rest assured, quality wheel spacers are safe. They are strong, they are reliable, and they look blooming brilliant. Now let's talk about clamping force. Sounds complicated, but it's that simple. You see those lug nuts on your wheels. Their job is to hold the wheel on. They do this by clamping down on the wheel with a tremendous amount of forces. Wheel spacers just go between the wheel and the hub. They don't interfere with this clamping force at all. The lug nuts still do their job. Clamping everything together nice and tight. It is like adding an external layer of clothing on a cold day. You are still warm, just with a bit more space. As long as your spacers are the right size, the clamping force is exactly the same. Now there is the one thing to watch out for: vibrations. You'll get those with cheap spacers that aren't hub-centric. Imagine driving down with the road and feeling like your truck around to shake if set apart. Not good. Hub-centric spacers are the answer. They fit snugly onto the hub of your Ram 1500, just like your wheels do. This means no vibrations, no wobbles, just a smooth, comfortable ride. So remember, hub-centric is the way to go. Your Ram will be thankful for it. Let's talk about bonus wheel spacers. These aren't your Ranger spacers. They are forged from 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum. It is incredibly strong and lightweight. The bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, but it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. So there you have it. Bonus Ram 1500 wheel spacers. Safe, strong, and they look absolutely cracking. What more could you ask for?